Are you gonna ruin my video today?
Yeah.
Alright guys, welcome back to Food for Thought. I know we've been gone for a while. We haven't posted anything for a while. You guys been tracking with us. It's been over like a month since we posted something, but we're so glad to be back and ready to cook something else for you guys. So today we're gonna be making a mushroom risotto, and it's gonna be delicious, and I hope you guys enjoy. Stay tuned. Alright guys, for the recipe you're gonna need 2 cups of mushrooms, 1 whole onion, 3 cups of arborio rice, 1 cup of Parmesan cheese, 3 tablespoons of butter, and just about like 1/4 of some parsley for some color. You're also going to need 12 cups of chicken broth or chicken stock. So for risotto, you're going to be working with arborio rice. Arborio rice is pretty much a small grain rice, and it's a different technique than actually cooking regular rice, and it takes a lot of time, about 25 minutes or so of consistent stirring and just working it to become delicious. Alright, so let's just get some olive oil in our pan here. I'm going to saute off our onions and garlic. And you want a medium heat when you do this. I've been preheating my pot this whole time. We'll go ahead and add our mushrooms. We added our mushrooms, and we're gonna just cook those down until they're nice and soft. And then after that, we'll go add our rice to it. Okay. Alright, so we added our mushrooms with the onions and garlic. I'm gonna go ahead and add 3 tablespoons of butter, so that it'll help the mushrooms get nice and soft. And butter's just good. Butter makes everything better. Chef Lucas, here, want to stir it? Look what Daddy's doing. Go ahead. Stir the mushrooms. Alright, our mushrooms are cooked down, and they're getting soft. I'm going to go ahead and add our arborio rice. Now, certain recipes may actually add the mushrooms after or at the same time as the rice, but I prefer it this way because mushrooms are cooked down. I'm gonna add the rice, and then all that mushroom flavor is gonna be inside. And so now I'm just gonna stir that all together and then get the rice nice and coated with everything that's in there. And be careful that you don't let the rice burn to the bottom of the pan, because now the next step is we're going to be ladling our chicken stock into our rice. Next step is to ladle our chicken broth in here, or chicken stock, whatever you have. A couple ladles at a time. Now I could have also used maybe some white wine or something to give it more flavor, but we're just going to do straight chicken stock. So the next step is to continue to ladle your chicken stock into the rice every time it comes up to a boil and it starts to absorb all that water. It's a continuation of just adding stock and letting it come up to a boil and let it reduce until all the rice becomes soft and cooked all the way through.
Lucas, say, I got it. I love you.
Oh my goodness, you finally said it. My son is growing up. Oh man, it's the first time he ever said that. Wow.
Yeah, I don't think it's bad. Oh, he's saying it
I
again.
love you. Wow, we are making history on this video. Lucas said his, well, not his first word, but
His first sentimental phrase.
Yeah. Now you can see that all the water, the chicken stock has been absorbed by the rice. So now at this point, we're gonna continue to just ladle our chicken stock into the rice. So a couple more ladles full. So it's important with risotto that you don't just say, oh, I'm gonna steam all my rice off first and then do the rest or whatever. That's just not the right way to do it, alright? Not the right way to do it at all. Risotto is more of a method of cooking the rice to get it nice and creamy and the rice grains cooked all the way through. Now you're gonna know when the rice is done when you see the grains in there. It's gonna look more white and it's not gonna look so raw like that. Right now it's still hard. When I do these cooking videos is I cook for the family.
That's lovely.
Oh, hey.
Hey,
Hiding in the back.
doing laundry.
Yeah. It's on, buddy.
Make sure you keep stirring and it does not stick to the bottom of the pan. Keep adding your chicken stock. Now you can do vegetable stock as well if you're vegetarian, and whatever other vegan options there are, or whatever you are nowadays. People are. So many restrictions nowadays, I don't get it. Risotto looks like it's about there. I tested the rice and it's nice and soft. What we're going to do now, last step, is once it's soft, we're going to add a couple more spoons, ladles of chicken broth. And then we're going to finish it off with some Parmesan cheese. Now it's all finished up. We're going to finish it with some Parmesan and then season it with some salt and pepper. Finish it with some parsley, or you can use cilantro like we are doing actually. Give it a little more flavor. Alright, the Parmesan cheese is going to give it a nice creaminess and even give it the saltiness that it needs, so it's going to give it more flavor as well. And so next we're going to get the wifey to test it and see if she approves. Alright, let's see if you approve. Here. No mushroom. There was a mushroom. Looks hot.
Yummy. Oh, so good.
Feel free to test this recipe out. The recipe will be in the description below, and all the measurements and everything, that exactly what we did. Just do your best if you try this video, try this recipe while watching this video. Do your best to try it. And for next time, stay tuned and subscribe to our channel if you like this video. Very much.